Second attempt at the cinnamon challenge.
Yeah, I'm an idiot to do it the
Can't
second
fingers
time.
it again. Right, go. Don't spray it on my face, please.
Oh my glasses!
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I can feel it all over the floor.
Stuck all over my mouth.
Oh my god.
It's solid. Oh,
Go on, you can do it. Stay strong.
burning my tongue.
Burning. You're really trying to do this. It's really good though.
Oh, I'm sick.
Are you joking?
Is it nice?
Oh my god, your teeth.
What?
Your teeth are, oh my god. It's a cinnamon now.
Stuck all around my cheek.
Your parents are gonna get home and go, why, where's the cinnamon gone?
Yeah, I better clear this up.
Oh, no. It was a dog.
Yeah.
It was a dog.
The dog tried the cinnamon challenge. Oh, just look at the mess I've made. Failed.
Again.
Again. Bugger.
Don't do it again. Please.
I'm not. That's horrible. Yeah.
So stop recording now.
Finish.